Here is an example of my home remodeling plan after I've been working on it for about 4 weeks. It's time to make some decisions about sound systems for the house. First, I'll pull together some good information I've found from several websites. I can pull excerpts into my plan using a feature called Drag and Link. As I drag a few key sentences from each website into the plan, links are automatically created that I can later click to get back to the source. Of course, I can drag and link from other kinds of information too. For example, from a Word document about healthy homes that my architect sent me, or an email from the contractor about schedules. For some items, like files, folders, or email messages, I can select the entire item, then drag it to a plan. Then drop it to create a link. The file, folder, or email message stays where it is, but now there is a link to this item in the plan. I can also link information into a plan even when Plans isn't visible. To do this, I use Quick Capture. I can access Quick Capture from my desktop and from the Start menu, but it's much easier to access by clicking the Windows flag key and the C key. When I access Quick Capture, the selected text in the active window is, you might say, captured together with a link to the information item in the active window. I can type in an additional explanation, When I click OK, Quick Capture will create a note in Plans under the heading Notes, which is under Today Plus, with a link pointing to the web page, or email message or document, that is in the active window. But to see this new note, I may need to click Refresh in Plans, or collapse and then expand the Notes heading. The new note will appear in blue. This note will also appear as a shortcut in the file system. By default, a note that is created through Quick Capture will be placed under the Notes heading, but I can pick another heading from the drop-down list. Or, if I don't see what I want in the drop-down list, I can click to select any folder that I have access to. When I then click OK, a shortcut will appear in the folder I select. I use Quick Capture to mark email messages for later response, web pages for later reading, and documents, in several formats, for review and markup.